Good morning, I'm Jennifer Bayless. Denise Sears, the CEO and president of SOS International, is here to talk about the Health and Hope Breakfast. First, Denise, welcome.
Thank you.
What is the Health and Hope Breakfast?
So the Health and Hope Breakfast, this is the 6th annual event, and it is a celebration of the amazing work that SOS International is doing, both here in our local community as well as around the world. So we have two really extraordinary special guests who will be speaking and intermingling with the guests. One is a member of Parliament of Ghana, the Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa. We have worked in his region in Ghana and had the amazing outcome of reducing maternal mortality by 24% in 9 months.
Nice.
Our second speaker is Michelle Young, who started a CNA program here in Louisville. We have walked alongside her from the very beginning when she had the idea. She actually saw me on TV, reached out, and today she has a robust program, is adding now phlebotomy, and has graduated over 200 students who before weren't really sure what they wanted to do or they didn't have a job, and now they're all employed in the healthcare field.
Well, SOS International is doing so many amazing things, not just here in Louisville, but all around the world. For people who don't know, what is SOS International?
SOS International was started about 30 years ago, and it was a doctor who recognized that there were surplus medical supplies in the hospitals locally that you know will be thrown away because they didn't need them, and why not use them to help others? Today, the program has grown to the point where we have almost a $2 million local program in addition to our international program. And the local program focuses heavily on education, social service support, as well as safety net clinics.
And we know that the breakfast is almost sold out, but if you're looking to get involved, how can we do that? You need volunteers, right?
We always need volunteers. We're a staff of 13.
Okay.
And we get over 2,000 volunteers every year who help make this program possible.
Wow. Okay. Well, don't forget, the Health and Hope Breakfast is Wednesday, March 20th at the Olmsted. Here's the information for you. Networking, which is always a plus at any event, starts at 7 a.m. The breakfast is at 7:30, and then 8 a.m. you're going to hear stories from the field, which are those amazing speakers. You're going to hear about the work that SOS is doing, and tickets are free. Still have a few tickets left.
We still have a few, but there's so many ways to engage with SOS. And here's one thing I'll leave with. There's not another organization in Louisville that can say it touches every single one of us. Every single one of us, from helping protect the environment by keeping things out of landfills, to somebody who is homeless and needs a wheelchair, to the mother in Ghana who just needs a safe opportunity to deliver her baby.
Well, Denise, thank you so much for what you and SOS are doing, and good luck with the breakfast.
Thank you so much.